All rise. The Court of Palm Beach County Youth Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Jean Marie Middleton presiding.
Youth Court is a program that started back in I would think the late 80s, early 90s. It's a program that's designed to bring youth into the justice system to allow them to see what the inside of the system is like, to kind of garner their interest, give them community service hours while they're doing it, but also to give kids who've committed offenses in the community an opportunity to come in, to learn about the justice system, to learn about what it is that they did wrong, and to be a part of the solution. This entire program is a partnership between the Palm Beach County School District Police, Palm Beach County School District, the State Attorney's Office, and local law enforcement, and most importantly, the community. It takes all of us coming together to make this program a reality. As you can see behind me, there's a room full of students who are interested in volunteering to become attorneys, to act as attorneys during youth court, and hopefully one day have an interest spark that will bring them to wanting to become attorneys.
Thank you all for coming and welcome to tonight's session of Youth Court.
It gives them an opportunity to see in real time, to participate in a real court case. Most important thing I like to say is we have had, in the years that I've been doing it, I can think of 4 of our youth defendants who have gone on to become attorneys. They've worked in our state attorney's office and in private firms.
By making sure he learns from his lesson. And this is only done when he properly goes through the appropriate sanctions.
The bigger impact from my experience has been on the parents. I get so many parents who come and say, thank you so much for allowing my child to participate in this rather than having to go through the juvenile justice system.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, peer pressure can go a long way, and that's what you saw today in this case.
Youth court is so incredibly important, at least for me, because it teaches us what real law looks like. When we do things like mock trial, it's always evened out. Each side always gets the same amount of evidence. But here in youth court, you get to see really what it's like. Not every case is going to be in your favor. Not every case is going to be easy, but it's always going to be worth it. I've learned so much. I've become a much better debater than I ever could have imagined. I was a freshman on the mock trial team, and I'm going to tell you, I was not all that great. And I've had such a great time learning and growing to now become mock trial captain that I think these skills will greatly benefit me when I go to law school, and I can even go further than that and hopefully go to become a licensed attorney.
So I did youth court probably in 2014, 2015. I was a juror, a volunteer. I remember one of the selling points being that, you know, to be judged by your peers was maybe something that could kind of help. But being given a second chance, and I remember that was very enlightening to me, and it was part of the reason why I went on to become an attorney.
There's no other greater experience that you can have as like a young adult, as a high schooler, than youth court. You're building your career now. All these kids that are here, they're starting their careers here in youth court, and it really like lays the foundation for the rest of their legal experience or even just their professional experience. Yeah, I can't say enough about youth court and how much I love it.